Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Growing Guitar. We have AJR here with us, and they make some funny songs, really great songs as well. Complex sometimes. This one's very easy actually. Maybe Man. So we have 5 different chords here to handle, and it goes almost in the same way through the entire song. So that's great. We'll start this one up without any capo. We don't need it. So let's take a look at the chords. We have first the E. So that is open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. The next chord will be a bar chord, and we'll work with bar chords for the rest of these 4 next chords. So this one is the G sharp, okay? So you place the bar on the 4th fret over all strings, and then you need to add 6 on the A string, 6 on D, and 5th on the G. We'll keep that bar here for the next chord, the C sharp minor. You don't need to bar all strings if you don't want to. You can keep it if you wish, because it will come right after the G sharp. This one is the C sharp, okay? C sharp minor, to be exact. So you have still the bar here on the 4th fret, and you don't need to bar the last E string here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom up, or you can keep it if you want to. Nevertheless, we have this next added notes there. So 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. So we have that C sharp minor. We'll have the next 2 chords, A and A minor. Usually we play A as they are, like without bars, but since we are up here, I believe it's the best scenario here to keep on with the bar chord. So A, now you place the bar on the 5th fret, and you bar all strings there. So then you need to add 7th on A, 7th on D, and 6 on G. That's the A, and the final chord is the A minor. So what you do there, you're gonna just take away this 6 on G, and yeah, just lift off to get that string barred here on the 5th position. So everything else is the same, except from this 6G, you just lift it off and you get the minor, A minor there. And that's what you need for the song. E, G sharp, C sharp minor, A, and A minor. Let's take a look at the strumming here. E is the first chord. So one strumming round will be about 4 downs, and you want to emphasize the 3rd down. So you're going to play on the bass strings when it comes to all the other downs, but the 3rd down you want to play a little more on the top notes down here, all right? So one round is 4 downs like this. Okay, so bass, bass, top, bass. The main chord progression here will be E, 2, G sharp, 2, C sharp minor, 2, then A, 1, and A minor, 1. You play that chord progression round and round with this strumming pattern till 3 minutes exactly, okay? So one round of this chord progression will be like that. Okay, you play that till 3 minutes and 0 seconds into the song, and then you will play almost the exact same thing here. The only difference here is you're gonna slow down your strumming, and you will keep the same strumming here, and the chord progression will now be E, 1, G sharp, 1, C sharp minor, 1, and A, 1. So no minor there. So exact same chord progression, and you just take away the minor in the end. 1 strumming around per chord, and you slow down the tempo, and you play that from 3 minutes till the very end, like this. Sorry, 1 time per chord. And so on. I'm not exactly sure if that was the correct tempo for this one, this part of the song. You just need to listen for the song and just follow. But that is how you handle the chords. So that pretty much covers AJR's Maybe Man. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. If you did, show me some love back and see you next time. Till then, play tuned.